Referencing. Referencing is a standard method of acknowledging the sources of information you have consulted when preparing your written assessment work. Referencing is necessary to ensure that. Why is this referencing necessary? To ensure all your arguments are clearly supported by evidence. You follow academic standards or conventions. Research that you have read and or undertaken is convincing. The reader can find the sources that you used. The assessor can see how widely that you have read. You showcase a good knowledge of the subject matter. It's why referencing is very important. It shows that how many references you consulted and how knowledgeable you get about the subject matter. The assessment work will reflect the expected good academic values and practice. You avoid plagiarism, which is very important here. The assessment work that you submitted is credible. Okay, so this is why referencing is very important. Referencing is very important. Okay, this is why referencing is very important. So, why review your work? Why do you need to review your work? It is very important that you leave enough time after completing your written assessment work to reread it, to review it, to revise it, so that you make sure that it is perfect. Okay? So it is very important to review your written work. It's very important to review your written work. What is editing? It's very important to know what editing is. Why do we edit? Editing is about preparing your draft assessment work for submission by making modifications to it. This is what editing is. Why do we edit? It is important that the best possible version of work is submitted so that you are likely to achieve the best possible mark. So you make sure that everything is written appropriately and correctly. So this is why you edit your work. It's very important to edit your work. And what is proofreading? You have to know the difference between editing and proofreading. Proofreading is the final stage when you check for minor errors and you correct them. You read, you check minor errors, and then you correct them. At this point, you read in a superficial way, with your eyes open only to errors in spelling, grammar, or punctuation, and typing mistakes, also called typos, either proofreading or typos. So these are very important. Editing and proofreading and referencing. These are very important three important issues in academic writing.